Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon on Shopify. First, you will need to connect your Amazon Seller Central account directly to your Shopify store. This is typically done through a dedicated integration app found in the Shopify App Store. Make sure your Amazon Professional Selling Plan is active, as this is a prerequisite for most integrations. Once connected, you will grant the necessary permissions for data synchronization, allowing both platforms to communicate seamlessly. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth operation. After connecting, you can begin managing your products. You have the option to import your existing Amazon listings directly into your Shopify store, populating your catalog quickly. Alternatively, you can create new products within Shopify and then push them to Amazon. The integration ensures that critical product information, such as inventory levels and pricing, remains synchronized. This prevents overselling and ensures customers see accurate details on both marketplaces, saving you valuable time. Managing orders becomes much simpler with an integrated system. All orders placed on Amazon will automatically import into your Shopify admin, allowing for centralized processing. You can then fulfill these orders directly from Shopify, and the tracking information will be updated back on Amazon. For even greater efficiency, you can choose to use Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA to handle the shipping for your Shopify orders as well, streamlining your entire fulfillment process. To maximize your success, regularly monitor your inventory across both platforms to avoid any discrepancies. Analyze your sales data from both Amazon and Shopify to identify your best-selling products and understand customer behavior. This dual-platform approach allows you to leverage Amazon's massive customer base while simultaneously building and maintaining your unique brand identity and customer relationships through your Shopify store. It's a powerful combination for growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.